Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am going to share with you today an unboxing of the Cocoa Daisy Silent Moon collection. Haven't opened it up, so you are taking a gander into my true feelings about and my initial impressions of what is in this box. Just a reminder, if you enjoy this, please leave me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And I will post the links for everything down below in case you want to take a look at it on the website. Alrighty. Look at the pretty little vinyl sticker included this month. And then also that blue color is stunning. I love that. Now that's one thing to remember. Also, I will say I like this a lot because blue is genuinely my favorite color, although I really love gray too, but blue is my favorite color. So this collection is bound to be something that I really love. Also, if you have watched these before, you'll notice that I did change up some of the subscriptions I'm receiving. So be sure to watch for that. Also, most of these, if not all of these, I receive these in return for the work that I do for Cocoa Daisy. I'm not sure I purchased any extras, but we'll see as we get to it, okay? All right, so this is the journaling kit. This is a new kit for Cocoa Daisy in the last handful of months. And I was really excited to try it because I do planning in a Hobonichi Cousin, and bulk does matter. So I decided that because of that, I would love to give this kit a really solid go in that planner. I'm obsessed with this snowflake washi. I think it's incredibly pretty, and I don't live somewhere where it snows, but I still think it's incredible and going to be very, very beautiful in my January planner, and quite frankly, maybe even before that, if I can get past my obsession with Christmas. So look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Anyway, let's look at the rest of the kit. All right, so we have this card, which on the front is obviously beautiful, and then on the back has some journaling prompts. Then we have a sticker kit that comes in the journaling kit. And these are all printed on the nice and thin vellum sticker paper. So it's just a negligible amount of bulk, which is important to me because like I said already, I'm using a Hobonichi Cousin, and that thing really chunks up. Look how gorgeous. These look like poppies. I don't really know if they are, or if they're anemones or something else, but the blue is chef's kiss. The celestial is very pretty. That is not my specific, oh my gosh, I love that theme. So, but it is very pretty. For some reason, you guys know in the past, I love these days of the week stickers. So these are very, very exciting. I look forward to using those a lot. And this color palette is just, when I look at this sheet, I love it so much. All right, so then there is also 2 sheets of rub-ons included in this kit. And man, oh man, these are beautiful. So let's look at these first. So we have the days of the week at the top, which is awesome. And then I don't know, just some cool little things you can add in your planner, like reminders. And then of course, all of the beautiful art that is gonna look really very nice. These stars are so cute. I love this. And then the January 2024, I think, is really, really beautiful. So that was the journaling kit. Here is the stamp set for the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. It's very hard to see. 2 things. 1, the stamps are now coming in these incredible storage sleeves, which is awesome. 2, this is a sample stamp set, so it doesn't have the black printing on the acetate, but this stamp set, I love it because I love this 2024. So it's going to be these beautiful stars. But I will link you to the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit so you can see the stamp. Very cute. All right, so this is the Modern Memory Keeping Kit. And I don't know if I could quit this kit if I tried, because these cards they're just everything to me. I love them every month. And I'm not even a pocket scrapbooker, but I just find so many fun ways to use these, and I think that they're always incredibly beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love Space Mountain at Disneyland. I love blue. That's January Stories. Gorgeous. The monthly card, of course. Trust the Magic of New Beginnings, which is obviously perfect for January, and those little stars. Protect Your Peace. It's actually a phrase I say a lot, so I'm really loving that. Trust the Process. I love that this has a really winter theme, but it's also got the celestial and then some of the other things as well. So it really makes it very user-friendly for lots of folks. I will never be a morning person, for the moon and I are far too much in love. That's so cute. Phew, that was close. I almost had to socialize. I love that. Be the moon and inspire people even when you're far from full. And in her starry shade of dim and solitary loveliness, I learned the language of another world. Lord Byron. Oh, you are the universe experiencing itself. Make choices that reflect your hopes, not your fears. Love that. Let go and let the universe give you what you need. I love that night sky and those stars. That's incredibly beautiful, by the way. A million dreams are keeping me awake. To-do list, practice kindness, be thankful, breathe deeply, enjoy life and love. She had a galaxy in her eyes, a universe in her mind. That's also so pretty. Clean your desk, tie up your hair, grab a coffee, and just start. If that isn't the truth. Okay, that's really cool. Actually, I have to come back to that. Flaunt every shade of yourself just like the moon. I don't even begin to know how to pronounce this, so I'm not going to, but the peaceful state of mind that comes upon waking from a pleasant dream. So cute. Oh my gosh. I also would like to... I forgot what I was going to mention. There was something. It'll come to me. Okay, so here's the stamp set. So again, the cute little sleeves. I love these. And then this stamp, the frame is adorable. Season of New Beginnings. Super cute. Okay, so we've got some amazing little die cuts. I always love these because they're cute and they're always the perfect accent for memory keeping, but I use them a ton in my journal and my memory planner and things like that. So these are beautiful. So yeah, these are so cute and just really usable stuff, like basic, good, usable, fun supplies. Oh, I remembered what I was going to tell you. I say this every month though, I try not to look at the kits too much after reveal because I want to be not surprised when they come, but I don't want to be like, oh, I already know all about all of these supplies or everything like that. So if I say something wrong or something like that, it's because these are genuinely like what I see when I look at it. And I don't really know any better because I didn't read the descriptions or anything like that. Wood veneer stars. Glitter dots of all of the shades of blue, which I love. All right, so we've got 4x6 cards. Oh, so deeply saturated and beautiful. So pretty. A snowflake is winter's butterfly. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, then we have, these are like foam little words. January, goals, reflect, new, memories, relax, dreams, and then stars, etc. Okay, these are the planner stickers for like the Daisy planner, and this, I have really been loving these so much, and I use them each month, so they're very exciting to me. All right, so then we have some chipboard and lots of frames and stars, which I am loving that. Then rub-ons, as usual, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I'm very excited about this. Look at this, a new font of puffy stickers, which is amazing. I love that. Then then patterned paper. So let's check them out. I really have not looked at these. Okay, love this blue grid. And then on the back has the celestial. We have the night sky, so pretty. Oh, the splatters and the stars. And then we have this nice soothing navy blue pattern. And then the snowflakes. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This is a really great mix of patterned papers. I think I probably say that every month, but honestly, that's just gorgeous and really very usable. So usable. So that is the Modern Memory Keeping Kit. And hopefully I didn't screw anything up this month by saying it is something that it's not, but I think I got everything. Okay, so next up is the planner add-on. Okay, there's a couple of things in here I am really looking forward to. Okay. First up, this is the Snowflake Washi. I already showed you this in the journaling kit, so I'm not gonna open that up again. The little button, it says shine on. Can you see that? Super cute. Okay, and then a click art pen, which I always love, and it's in a beautiful purple that will match. And I don't know if you've used the click arts, but they're fantastic. All right, these Today sticky notes, do you see this? These are so cute. I actually think these are gonna be outstanding, not only as sticky notes, but like in memory keeping too. Like, that's very cool. All right, so we've got some die cuts. Let's take a look at these. I'm excited to see these because I really don't know what they are. Full speed ahead. Okay, these are the vellum die cuts. I can feel that. Be brave. Then obviously we have some florals and some branches, but then we also have like a moth. Be purposeful. Be grateful. So yeah, lots of really cute stuff in here. And actually, now that I think about this, this is not the planner add-on. This is the stationery kit. Sorry, guys. Okay, stickers, stickers, stickers. Decorative stickers, decorative stickers, and then the days of the week, which I always love, 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 and cannot get enough of. Then this amazing pad. Look at this, how cool, right? So imagine that you just need a little bit more organization. I love it. And then the back side of the pages are plain, so you can jot things down, still use the back. That's very cool. A gold skeleton type clip. Then we have these awesome little acetate guys. So they're sort of bookmark-ish. Shine and dream. Then we have the acetate. Oh, stunning. And the vellum with the gold foil. Can you see that? So pretty. All right, so that was the stationery kit. I always love that kit so much. All right, now I also got the B6 inserts. I'm planning on setting up a planner using these. So they're roughly the same size as a mini happy planner, and I love that, and I love the inserts. So let's take a look. Oh, the most beautiful stripe page maybe ever. Okay, so there's 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, so 5 weeks, and then a notes page, and then we get right into the weeklies. So cute. Notes weekly, notes weekly, but do you see that? Like a little bit of art, but nothing crazy. Then we get into, after the weeklies, you have another notes page, and then we have the monthly. Stunning. And then we get into the daily pages. And I love daily pages like more than anything. So these are always very exciting, and that's awesome. So those are the B6 inserts, and they're unique. No other ones have that same weekly view. All right, so then I have two little sticker kits. Okay, this is the Classic Cousin kit, and it used to be the Classic sticker kit. And the stickers are now sized for a Hobonichi Cousin, which is very exciting if, like me, you use one. But the columns are approximately 1 3/8 inches, which is the same width as the Hobonichi Cousin. Oh, so cute. And then a vellum sheet. All right, and then last but not least is the memory keeping sticker kit. And these are sized for the Daisy planner or a big Happy planner, like they are 2 inches wide. So that is it for me. I don't have any additional kits to share with you. However, I will link all of these up for you in the description below in case you want to go check them out. And there is also a Cocoa Daisy coupon code in the description as well if you would like to save a little money. But that is it. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, make it a great day.